This is a brief update on MainManager BIM integration. MainManager has been developed over a 20-year period and now manages the FM activities in over 30,000 buildings across Scandinavia, Northwest Europe and Australia. Having developed from grassroots FM activity, drawing integration and space management were added, allowing interactive management of the workspace. So far, this has been a relatively common evolution amongst CAFM systems. A few years ago, building information modelling became common in design and construction. Unfortunately, this had little effect on FM or the use of CAFM, the traditional handover period still being the point at which most FMs met their new building for the first time. We now have the opportunity to turn this around and get FM involved much earlier. Advances in design technology and sharing of 3D models and their information allow for life cycle management of buildings and associated equipment to start as it is built or installed. Here at MainManager, we are bringing this benefit to our users in the form of a BIM element to the main application. This will allow you to view the building or just the structural elements if required. This gives the construction team the ability to manage snagging on the same system that the building operators will eventually use. The history of the building can now start during construction rather than 12 to 18 months after completion, as is common at present. The BIM elements will enable quick and accurate reporting of faults to building fabric, or to report incidents of problems at the space level. This ensures a valid audit trail for any and all activities on site. Once the building services are installed, you can create and manage your asset register. This can be done directly from the model, allowing for pre-planning of complex servicing or replacement tasks without disrupting the workplace. Using the model enables quick and easy identification of equipment, even if you don't have the serial number, make or model. In the viewer, you can see a simple display of plant status using a recognised colour coding system. In this case, red for overdue, blue for tasks due next month, and green for tasks due now. Once a task is complete, it will be shown as grey for the remainder of the period required. Selecting an item also gives the user access to the asset record and BIM element information for that item. Here we see 2 units requiring servicing. If we select the Information tab, we can confirm the asset ID by selecting each one in turn. If we don't know the location of an asset, we can enter part of the name in the filter at the left and select the correct unit from the list. This will refresh the screen and show just the item we have selected. Using this method also allows us to view the work history for that asset, whether it be reactive or planned maintenance, current work or jobs that have been done previously. Assets can be imported in bulk via spreadsheets, from 2D CAD drawings or 3D IFC files, but there is also a facility to manage this at an individual level for one-off replacements or new additions. MainManager has developed an intuitive drag and drop facility to do this. Once created, assets can be linked to a space, drawing or model, or can be located manually by dragging the item into a relevant space. By doing this, a link is created. If a mistake is made, the link can be removed and then the correct link created. This is also useful for items that need to be relocated without losing the work history. MainManager can help you to look after your buildings from construction to demolition. We can help you to manage snagging during construction or refurbishment. MainManager can show you what servicing needs to be done and when, and warn you if time is running out. If you want to know more or would like a demo, contact us today. Email us at info@fm180.com or call 0330 6600 180.